A good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, Wednesday, December the 20th, 2023. 11 days to go till end of the year. Yes, we have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, 1 with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it Cypher block. In Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only half of them. I will solve 4 of them. Why? Well, it's too much for me. Time consuming. And I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Alright, the first one will be number 7654. 7654. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one, usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25 printed digits, and I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. But this one has 26 printed digits, 1 more than 25. Should be at 2 stars, and for 2 stars puzzle I need 15 to 20 minutes. We'll see if this is a 2 stars or a 3 stars puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. 1 in this row, 1 in the third row, so the row between the middle, the second row. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 1, okay. 1 1 1 1 1. Cannot continue with 1. How about the number? Let me see. 7. The 2 in the third row, the 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. Need an 8 here. Need an 8 there. Need a 4 here. And yeah. We have a 9 in the first row, 9 in the third row, so the row between, the row below the third row. The only place left for the 9 should be here. Need a 3 here. 4 missing numbers in the third row. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We have a 3 in this big square. So no 3 in these 2 boxes. So the 3 in the third row could be here, could be there. Here or there. We see another 3 in the last column. No 3 there. 3 should be there. 2. Need a 5, 6, and a 4. 5, 6, 4. Okay. Need a 7 here, need a 7 there. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers in this row is a number 7. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 in this box. So the 7 in the third row could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Alright, 5 and a 6. 5, 6, and 8. Need an 8 there. Need an 8 here, yep. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8 in this big square. We have an 8 in the third row, no 8 there. We have an 8 in this column, so no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the third row. So the row between the second row. Only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in the second column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8, 8, okay. 3, 3. 3, 3. 3, 3. Well. And a 6, 5 and a 6. 5, 6, 7. And the 3. Need a 3 here. Okay. Let me think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 8. We have 8 in the last row. No 8 in these 3 boxes here, and 8 in this column. No 8 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square. Should be there. 8 in the last row. 8 in the row above. So that row, only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the second column. No 8 there. 8 should be there. We have 8 in this column, 8 in the column next to the last column. Only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row above, only 3 places left for 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. Here and 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. The only place left for 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see this is number 1, number 8. 1, 1, okay. 1, 1, okay. 1, 1. 1, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is number 1. Here can be 1, we have 1 in this column, no 1 there. Here can be 1, we have 1 in this column, no 1 there. Here can be 1, we have a 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. So the 1 could be here, here, or there. We see another 1 in the third column, no 1 there. Here, 1 in the second column, so no 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 in this row should be there. Alright. Need a 3 here. Need a 3 there, need a 3 here. Alright. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Let me see. Need a 4. Come on, come on. 6 in this row, 6 in the last row. So the row between. The only place left for 6 should be there. Okay, now I can put the 3. We have here 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 in these 2 boxes. Here, 3 in this column, no 3 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for 3 in this big square should be there. So 3 missing numbers in the middle column for the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7 is missing. 8 and then 9 is missing. 4, 7, 9. 4, 7, 9, 4, 7, 9, 4, 7, 9. And look, we have 7 and 9 in this row. So no 7 and 9 in this box. 7 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in the middle column for number 4. Alright. Need a 3 here or there. Well, need a 1 here. And I need a 6. Need a 4 in this column. 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. We have a 2 in the last row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Need a 2 here. Need a 3 here. Need a 9 here. We have a 3 in this row, 3 in the last row, so the row between. Only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the first column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the first column, 3 in the third column, so the column between the second columm. Only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the second row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Need a 7 here, need a 6 here, and I need a 5 here. Oh, 5 there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 6 is missing, and a 7 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7. This box cannot be a 5, and this box can be a 7. So the 5 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 6. Alright, 6, 6, 6, okay. 9 and the 7. How about here? 9 and the 4. 9 and the 4. 9. 2 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 4 in this first column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3. 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes and there. 1 box left in this row. I believe the 9. Yeah, 9 in the last row. 9 in a row above. So in that row, only place left for the 9 should be there. 1, 1, 5. Need a 7. 7 in this column. 7 in, sorry, 7 in the last column. 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Now. How about? Need a 3 here. Come on. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and 6, 5 and 6. We have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row, so the third row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Need a 4 here. Here, 1 and a 5. Need a 6 here. Alright. Need a 1. 1 and a 5. Okay. How about these 2 missing numbers in this column? For numbers 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. Let me mark those. Here also 7 and a 5. Let me mark those. 7 and a 5. How about these 2 missing numbers in this column? For numbers 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8. 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and the 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 7 and a 9, we have a 9 in the middle row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier, the 7 and a 5. We have a 7 in the middle row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 5. Need a 7, need a 6, and I need a 4. Yeah, 3 missing numbers. Oh, wait. 7 in this row, 7 in mid row, so the row below, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. The 2 in this row, the 2 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 1 box left in this column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 1 and a 6. We have a 6 now in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 1 goes there. The 1 in this row, the 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 and a 5. We have a 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3. The 5 is missing, the 4 is missing, and 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finish in 40 minutes. Well, 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. Well, let me give you 1 star. I'm faster than 50 minutes, so I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solved by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.